So I'm very excited to share with you a new desktop application from TastyTrade. TastyTrade is a fantastic options trading platform. It's an options broker. You can trade stocks, options, futures, crypto. You can trade everything on TastyTrade. And their desktop client is really great, but it is kind of based on old technology. It's a Java application. And in the last couple of years, TastyTrade has been working on a new desktop client. They're eventually going to replace the old legacy desktop client that everybody's using now with this new web-based desktop client. And there's already a beta out there. You can actually begin trading on this thing. They have this desktop beta release, and they have installation instructions for those running Windows, Mac, or Linux. I run Linux, so what I did is I grabbed the app image, and it works flawlessly. Let me show you this thing. So this is the new desktop beta app. Now this new desktop client looks very similar to the web client. If you've actually used TastyTrade in the web browser, this was basically how you traded in the web browser. It's a very similar layout, except now because it's this standalone web application, there is some interesting functionality that's here that isn't in the standard browser version. Now, for the most part, everything is laid out in a similar fashion as you're used to. You have your watch lists over here on the side, and of course you can collapse this sidebar if you want. And then you have your main section here with your positions tab, your trade tab where you get the options chain, your activity tab which lists all the trades you've made. You have a main watch list also here in the center, and then you have various other tools as well. And then over here you have other tabs, for example the overview for whatever ticker you happen to be highlighting right now, and then more positions, more activity, more watch lists, alerts. You can watch Tasty Live here in the sidebar, and of course the order chains feature shows the chain for the particular ticker that you're on. And all in all, you know, that stuff works as expected. The one thing I will say, playing around with this new beta desktop application versus doing this in the web browser, is this new standalone desktop app is a little bit more performative, right? It actually has better performance. Everything is a little peppier. Things just work. I've noticed, for example, when I go into the chains, let me collapse the sidebar here, and let's go into the options chain. And I'm just going to click on some options. Maybe I want to sell that option, buy that option, sell that option. You know, it all kind of just pops up immediately, where in the browser, sometimes things were slow. Sometimes there was a delay of a couple of seconds, sometimes several seconds when you clicked on something before it finally appeared. Dragging things sometimes was really slow, like dragging these options around if I wanted to change the strikes. Now it's all really smooth, buttery smooth, much smoother than I would expect for a web application. This is really fantastic, and matter of fact, it solves my biggest complaint with using TastyTrade in the browser was just it was kind of slow. And now with some of these speed fixes, yeah, I love this. The other limitation with using TastyTrade in the browser was you were limited to one browser window. Everything had to fit in one browser window, but now because it's this standalone desktop client, you can have multiple windows. So now you can have pop-out windows. For example, on the positions tab that we're taking a look at here, if I wanted to check my capital requirements, I could hit the cap requirement button here, and we get a pop-out window with capital requirements. So, you know, risk evaluation of my positions or allocation of my positions, span scenarios, or whatever it happens to be. You know, you get all of that in a pop-out window, where before in the standard browser version, that would all be fit into one screen, and it was kind of clunky. One of the things I also noticed in the new desktop client is we can actually pop out our watch list. There is this button down here. You see this little icon here, the pop out, it says detach watch list, and if I hit that, we just get a brand new window. Now my watch list is open as a full window. And here, if I actually switch views so you can actually see my desktop and my window manager, I can resize that and go over to the main window. But I've got 3 monitors as well. I can put that new window with just the watch list on one of my 3 monitors. That way it's always there. It's always there for me to look at. And that's another complaint I had with the single window browser experience, is because I have 3 monitors. I want to be able to use my 3 monitors. I want watch lists on a monitor. I want charts on a certain monitor, right? I want to use that space since I have it. Speaking of charts, let's go into the chart. So right now we're taking a look at the, right now we're taking a look at a grid view of various things, but let's take a look at a single chart. So let me switch the layouts here to a single chart view. And it pulled up MES, so the micro ES futures here. And one of the things you can do here, you have another icon here for pop out chart, and we could pop this out and boom. Now it's its own window, right? Separated from the main window. And it'll take a second for this new chart to load. And now the chart is loaded, but you can see now I've still got my main window over here, right? And then I've got the new pop-out window that, again, because I have multiple monitors, I can put this on a different monitor. And remember, I still have my watch list that I popped out, right? And of course, I could resize these. So maybe, I want these on one monitor, the pop-out chart and the pop-out watch list. And then, of course, on a different monitor, I might have my main, like positions tab and options chain and all of that. And this is really cool. But the fun doesn't stop there. Let me go back and do the grid view here, this 4 chart view here, this 2x2 grid. Let's imagine I want this grid of 4 different stocks or futures, whatever it is I'm tracking. Now watch what happens when I do the pop-out chart icon here. When I click on this one, we get a new window like you would expect. And this new window is actually going to be that 2x2 grid of those 4 stocks or futures in this case that I was viewing. And I've still got all of my other windows still open. And again, if you're somebody that many of us traders are used to over the years using multiple monitors, most of us trade with at least 2 monitors. I've got 3 monitors. A lot of you guys got 4 monitors or even 6 monitors, and you want to use that space and you want to be tracking all the things you trade all the time. You want these charts up all the time. And the fact that we can now pop out all of these charts, as many as you want, I can keep popping out all these charts because I've got that grid of 4, I've got that single one there, and I could keep popping out various charts and various different layouts. And now this is really cool. This is something that I have been wanting in TastyTrade in the desktop application for years now, and now we finally got it. So there you have it. This was a very quick overview, very quick introduction to the new TastyTrade beta desktop application. Now, if you're not a TastyTrade customer, if you're using some other broker, consider switching over to TastyTrade, especially if you're an options trader, because their options platform is fantastic. I think it's the best trading platform out there. And if you do move an account over to TastyTrade, please use my affiliate link in the show description. If you sign up using my link, they will give me a few bucks and it would help support my work here. All right, guys, peace.